Very good evening. Welcome to an episode of Just a Minute with Dr. Sandy. Now, today I was just seeing a patient who's quite special. He has shortening of fingers of the hand because of an accident which happened years ago. So, if you see his fingers, the finger here is shorter compared to the finger on the normal side. The finger here is shorter compared to the finger on the normal side. The reason is that when they treated him initially, what they did is they only planned on healing of the finger. They did not think of the alignment or the lengthening or the movements of the finger. So if anybody you know has an injury of the finger, always ask to see the specialist who's an orthopedic surgeon, a reconstruction surgeon, or a hand surgeon, sometimes even a plastic surgeon. Ask them to assess it correctly and get it done. Thank you very much for watching. Any comments you have, let me know. Any questions you have, also let me know. I will be very happy to answer. Be safe and be well. Thank you.